What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and I'm back with another unboxing of one of the hypest shoes of 2021, the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 High. I know y'all want to see what that looks like up close, but we're gonna take a look right here. So say less or all this talking, yo, let's get straight to these shoes. When you combine 2 liters of cool, that collaboration can shake up the world, and they did just that by combining Hiroshi Fujiwara and Travis Scott. We know a little bit about Hiroshi and the fact that he is born and raised in Japan. He is Japan's original hip-hop DJ, and rumor has it that on a trip to New York is where he got his inspiration to become a DJ, but that's neither here nor there. We know him for his collaboration with Stussy, Montclair, and of course Jordan Brand and Nike. Arguably his most famed collaboration comes from 2015 with the release of the Fragment Air Jordan 1. So from 2015, 6 years later to 2021, another reinvention of Hiroshi combines him now with Travis Scott. So we know about Travis's collaborations, whether it be Dior, McDonald's, and of course, Nike and Jordan Brand. The first Jordan Brand shoe collaboration for Travis Scott was the Cactus Jack Trunner, but that one did not release. However, his first release collaboration came at Complex Con of 2017 with the release of the white Travis Scott Air Force One Low that was later on followed up by the cream. Outside of the Air Force Ones, we've seen the Cactus Jack 4s, Cactus Jack 6s, and each of them have taken on their own high level of hype. But it's something about that Air Jordan 1 that hits a little bit different. So as we close out the middle of the summer, we get the release to unbox the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 High. Yes, these shoes do come in low, but we are only unboxing the high today. So as I show you the box top, you'll see this plastic casing that comes over the actual blue box, and it features logos from not only Travis Scott, Nike Air, but also Fragment logos. And here we have the box top, which is classic in regards to style of the Air Jordan 1 boxes, but of course it is fully military blue, and we'll get to the military blue in a second. But let's unbox these. Of course, we have the pink packaging, you'll see right there. But let's get to the shoes. Here we have the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 High. So here we have a full look at the upper. Features a variety of different colors in the military blue in that toe box. We have the white overlay, and the white pretty much runs throughout the entire upper. The upside down black swoosh there. The Jordan Wings logo on the outer panel. The Nike Air on the tongue, and on the inside of the right foot on the tongue reads the Cactus Jack. Black laces. As we get to the inner panel, black swoosh, of course, and you guys might not be able to see this, but it does say Cactus Jack in a white. I believe this is 3M if you take a photo of it. And then on the inner panel, just in the midsole area, it features the Travis Hiroshi and the style number and also the tooling code. So as we're talking about this midsole, you'll see the color shift in the full sail on the midsole. And then one of my coolest, or one of the coolest features on the shoe is, of course, the stash pocket. This is a pretty big stash pocket. I want to know in the comments what you guys put in your stash pocket. It's okay, you can tell me, this is a safe space. But as we transition from right to left, we feature an additional set, or 3 additional sets of laces in the pink, the white, and also the military blue. And the back panel of the left foot features the Cactus Jack logo. So as we get to the outsole, you'll see that the outsole features the Nike with the swoosh right there in the middle and the full military blue. This 2021 collaboration, in comparison to the pairs that came before, shares a lot of similarities. So we have the Fragment from 2015. We have the original Travis 1 High in comparison to the 2021 Travis 1 Fragment High. So you'll see the only real difference here is the material story and of course the colorway, with the suede being featured on the mocha brown pair and the predominantly full leather upper on the 2021 pair. And another difference outside of the laces, the stash spot area, the inside of the stash spot on the brown pair or mocha is red, and the inside of the stash spot on the 2021 is pink. So outside of that, we transition to probably my favorite out of the Travis collaborations, the Travis Scott Nike SB Dunk Low. I am really in love with Paisley, and I just love the workwear feel of this shoe. Colorway just speaks to my personal story, so this is probably my favorite collaboration out of the Travis Scott collabs. And then we have the original Mocha Jordan 1 Low. So this, in comparison to the new one, I do like the color blocking on the 2021 pair, but this, and just in regards to stadium goods, it's been one of our best selling shoes period. It almost, I'm not sure if it outsold the high, but it's very, very close. So you'll see the similarities within all of the silhouettes between Travis Scott and all the designs that he puts out, but you throw the Hiroshi spin on it and just gives it the new sauce. So jump in the comments and let me know what you think of the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1 High, or what's your favorite Travis Scott silhouettes, whether it's 6s, 4s, 1s, what's your favorite Fragment design? Whether it's the 1s, the Bo Jackson, the sock dart, he's done a plethora, but let me know in the comments what are your favorite Fragment and what are your favorite Cactus Jack collaborations. But we have all of those and a whole lot more right here at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, New York City, and 60 East Walton Street in Chicago, Illinois. So please feel free to pull up. If you cannot make it to the store, please visit stadiumgoods.com or shop on our app, iOS and Android, and we update the app daily with all kinds of fire new material. But stay tuned for us and what we got going on right here at Stadium Goods. We got some special things lined up for you guys, and let me know what you think of the Travis Scott Fragment Air Jordan 1. I am Fresco BK, this is Stadium Goods, and salud.